Traders, I want to introduce you to our newest indicator. It's one I've been working on for quite some time, and it's finally come to fruition. This is the liquidity momentum indicator. This is the most powerful indicator that we have in our suite of indicators. What it does, it confirms that the trend is pretty strong when that kicks in. And if we run with this crossover here, bullish crossover, and this green zone strengthening, that is an excellent entry. Not only that, the indicator will tell you when it kicks off here. This one gives us a pullback. Wherever you see a pullback. Okay, look. Okay, so not only does it give you trend strength, it tells you when there's a pullback. It's an incredibly powerful indicator. So what we do is we use this in conjunction with our other indicators. The most important indicator that works with this is the trend momentum sync. This gives us multiple time frame momentum and sentiment. So when this indicator gives us a signal here, buy signal, after we have that and this line is green, we can take these trades, especially early on in the piece. Not so much, as this is progressing, because naturally, a trend is going to pull back. Okay, the other signal that we can use is this buy signal. We only take this when it's firing, when this indicator, right now we've got coloured bars, are green. We generally prefer not to get involved when it's overextended. We can ignore that if this is extended, because we're always expecting that. If this buy signal was here, sure. Okay, so you just got to have some common sense rules. But this one with this one work really well together. We've got a whole bunch of other stuff in here that I probably won't need to show you. But the thing is, we can go anywhere with this. I mean, let's just have a look at Bitcoin and scroll back somewhere. Well, I mean, look, where we landed, here we are. So what we have is a combination of this guy kicking in here, that giving us the pullback, and this giving us strong multi-time frame momentum. So you could get involved right there. Nice outcome. We just launched this a day or two ago, but I've been working on enhancements. We've had some incredible results with this. Let me show you. Over here, this is our Discord server. Yesterday and today, because using it trading these cryptos. This one was just opened today and closed. But we're having a very positive result with it. Wherever you want to go, let's just flip back here somewhere. Anywhere, doesn't really matter. Now the idea with this is to look for opportunities right here, for example, and we're going to go with a pretty tight stop. So what we do is we use this shaded zone here for a stop loss. I'll show you what that is. We can adjust that. Okay, this is on the trend momentum sync, 15-minute chart, and I've got this is an average true range multiplier. I have it set to 2.5%. Sorry, 2.5 times the average true range, not percent. Okay, so it's 2.5 times the average true range with the current price action here. All right, so we can run with that, or we introduce a trend channel, and if you have a look at the green dots, well, we can place our stop loss midway through the channel. That's not a bad spot. So if we look at the trend channel, that's the high and the low of the channel. Midway through the channel, it's right there. So you've got a couple of options there in terms of working out where you want to place a stop loss. Nearly 6R there. Where do you want to go? Let's just have a look at, look, we've got all these cryptos. Gold, it's pretty popular. Let's just jump in here and just run back somewhere. Okay, that'll do. What have we got? Look how powerful this indicator is, guys. The thing with this is we want to include this guy. And if we come into our current time there, that will accurately portray the trend information. Alright, we can make a decision on based on this. The daily is trending bullish, but okay, 4 hour, 2 hour. We might decide to take it based on this 4 hour time frame, given that we're on the 15. 4 hour is trending, but more importantly, this is telling us that this is a strong trend right there. So we can look to get involved on the pullback. Well, it may or may not pull back. I can't remember where this was at, but stop above here would probably be the thing. If we miss the pullback, it doesn't really matter. And then the other thing we have is that telling us that this is trading down into extreme confluence, so we need to be a bit careful here. This one, okay, gives us previous daily, weekly and monthly levels, support and resistance. We've got a clear run under here, so let's see what happens here. Did we get a fill? We might have missed it. Never mind. So you have the option to go in at the current price or set up a pullback scenario. Let's take that out. Okay, so we didn't get the pullback. Never mind. You could take the trade based on that signal there, right there. Because this is giving you strong bearish momentum. A couple of things to be mindful of though. There's this green lines are telling us that there's a bullish divergence. In any case, let's just go out of here. Try the euro dollar. So here's the thing. This signifier telling us that there's a strong trend, but we don't have a bearish signal after here. So there's no trade. It's as simple as that. Okay, the strength kicked in here, but there's no signal and it crosses up. So we just leave that alone. Very simple. Let's just go back. Just close that. Okay, run back somewhere. Let's take it back. I don't know what happened here. Let's take that out. Close the trade. Okay, so obviously we entered long here. Yeah, okay. Well, look, here's the thing. The signal kicks in right there. We're looking for the first buy signal to get involved. We've got to pay attention to what's on the chart. So the strength of the trend is bullish, no doubt. We've got the green background here telling us that the higher time frame confluence is bullish. We've got, well, that would be the case if this is green over here. Right, but we're getting a pullback, see? But there's no buy signal here. We've got these signals, right? The next buy signal kicks in here. So we can take that trade there. So we enter long there. It's as simple as that. The colours just make it really easy to get involved with this. Stop loss maybe under the low. No, didn't even have to go that wide with it. Right, nice. This was a trade I actually took on a waning momentum. This is liquidity. This is liquidity momentum, so that's probably not the best idea on waning liquidity. So you want to get in early on in the signal. Right, so I only just released this. Well, this iteration a few moments ago. Great improvements. So look, there's a signal, we go long. So guys, just invite you to take this for a test run. There's a free 7-day trial. See how it works for you. This would be a subscription after 7 days. It kicks in, and it is heavily discounted while we are launching this. So after 7 days, if you decide this is for you, it's only $29.95 a month. Show you that. Free trial. We have a Forex VIP, crypto VIP, daily mentorship videos, access to all my indicators, how to get started, video. This will be going up very soon. Okay, so lock it in now while it's heavily discounted, because at some stage I'm envisaging that this is going to be up around $79.95 a month in the near future. So this will lock you in. Okay, guys. I look forward to seeing you in VIP in the trial. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.